In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take these images here and turn them into silhouettes. So the first thing we're going to need to do is you're going to have to remove the background from your original image. And you can do that within Canva, or if you use a third party because you use the free version like me, remove the background and we'll just go ahead after I already have the backgrounds removed on here. So what you do once you have those removed, you're going to go over to edit image. You can go into duotone, pick any color, it doesn't matter at all. You're going to pick the color. You're going to see these bars right here that look like they have sliders on them. You're going to hit those. What you're going to do is you're going to take your highlight, you're going to turn it to black. You're going to come over here to your shadows and you're going to turn it to black. You're going to hit apply and there is your silhouette. Sometimes you got to hit apply twice. All right, so we're going to do the same with this one. We're going to go over to duotone. We're going to pick any color we want over here. We're going to hit the little three bars. We're going to hit black. We're going to come over here and we're going to hit black. We're going to hit apply and there you go. So if you need these, if you're making custom frames, you will need to do this to make the silhouettes. If you just need a silhouette for any other reason, there you go. And if you need to do an element, let's pick out any kind of element here. There's just a regular element. We can do the same thing. We can just go into duotone, pick any color. We're going to hit these. We're going to go black and black, and there you go. You have a silhouette of an element. So just that simple application right there makes it just simple, and you have a silhouette. And that's how easy it is to do these. So thank you for stopping by. I hope I shared a little tidbit of information for you, and I'll see you on the next one. I love you guys. Bye, y'all.